Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vengthlang and my co-worker is Michael Zosang. We're presenting Government Bethlehem High School, and today's focal theme is Understanding Ecosystem for Health and Well-being, and sub-theme is Know Your Ecosystem. And the title of the project is Study of Pollination in Government Bethlehem High School compound. First of all, Government Bethlehem High School is located in the northern part of Vengthlang in Aiawh City. It covers an area of about 1,625 square meters. In the school compound, there are around 28 plant species. For our project, we selected 5 plants which have been blooming from June to August 2023. We watch pollinators for 30 days except Saturday and Sunday. Let's go to the next one. Hypothesis. Pollinators and flowers help and depended on each other, and pollination is an important process of ecosystem. Objectives. 1. To know the interrelationship between pollinators and flowers. 2. To document the pollinators of the selected plants in the school compound. 3. To experiment the need of pollination for the formation of fruits, seeds, and grains. 4. To know the availability of pollinators in sunny, cloudy, and rainy days. 5. To know the type of pollination occurring in each selected plant. Now let's look at the methodology and observation. 1. Survey. We went around the school compound and noted down those plants whose flowers are blooming. We selected 5 plants for our project. The selected plants are Tonpui, Zabet, Pareng, Midum Pampar, and Tling. And we measured the length of the flowers, floral tube, and the height of the plants, and we also smelled the flower in order to know the floral scent, which can be seen in our write-up page 7, table number 1. We observed and recorded pollinators every day except Saturday and Sunday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., which can be seen in our write-up page 8, table number 2. And we also recorded pollinators present in sunny, cloudy, and rainy days, which can be seen in our write-up page 10, table number 3. Number 2. Literature research. We read books and internet, which gave us wider knowledge of pollination. The knowledge and information we get from our literature research are: flowers have nectar, pollen, and water for pollinators' food, and the hairs all over the pollinators' body eject pollen grains when they move from one flower to another. Pollen grains are transferred to the stigma, and butterflies visit flowers more frequently, but bees are better pollinators. From our literature research, the type of pollination is known. Number 3. Experimentation. To prove that pollination is needed for the formation of fruits, seeds, and grains, an experiment is carried out in maize plant. The material we use for our experiment are plastic bag, pen, and record book. Procedure. We covered the female reproductive parts of maize plant with plastic bag and made it tight. In this way, the pollen grains cannot enter the female reproductive parts. Usually, pollination occurred in maize plant with the help of bees. After 16 days, we opened the cover of female reproductive parts and discovered that maize grains were not formed. This happened due to the absence of pollination, which shows that pollination is needed for the formation of fruits, seeds, and grains. Number 4. Interview with discussion. We went to Respondent Department of Botany, Patunga University College, and District Horticulture Office, Aiawh District Aiawh. We discussed about pollination. They help us getting more knowledge of pollination. Now let's look at our data analysis. The availability of pollinators in each selected plants are shown here in this paragraph. So, Tonpui has 3 species of pollinators, Zabet has 5, Pareng has 3, Midum Pampar has 4, and Tling has 7 species of pollinators. From our observation, we found out that butterflies are attracted to white, purple, yellow, and red colors. Number 2. Large carpenter bees are attracted to purple and yellow colors. Number 3. The eastern honeybees are attracted to white colors. Lastly, number 4. Birds are attracted to red colors. And in this pie chart shows the type of pollination. 80% of plants were self and cross-pollinated, and 20% were self-pollinated. Let's go to the results. Results. Number 1. Flowers provide pollen, nectar, and water for pollinators' food. Pollinator transferred pollen grains from anther to stigma. Number 2. Pollinators like bees, butterflies, birds, and wind are present in Government Bethlehem Vengthlang High School. The most abundant pollinators is butterfly. Number 3. When pollen could not enter stigma, pollination did not take place. Number 4. Pollinators are most active in sunny days and least active in rainy days. Number 5. Self-pollination occurred in one plant, which is Dumpampar, and cross and self-pollination occurred in 4 plants, that is, Chonpui, Tapet Parang, and Kodahine. And for our conclusion, flowers and pollinators help and dependent on each other, and pollination is needed for the formation of fruits, seeds, and grains. The world's food production is dependent on pollination, so pollination is an important process of ecosystem. And solution to the problem. Number 1, the interrelationship between pollinators and flowers are known. Number 2, the pollinators in each 5 plant is known. Number 3, the importance of pollination for the formation of fruits, seeds, and grains are known. Number 4, pollinators available in sunny, cloudy, and rainy days are known. Number 5, the type of pollination occurred in each selected plants is known. Number 6, the students are inspired to conserve more flowering plants. And I would like to add our follow-up. Number 1, an awareness program for the conservation of flowers and pollinators was organized in Government Bethlehem Vengthlang High School. Number 2, we grew more flowering plants and put beekeeping books in our school compound. Number 3, an article on pollination was published in weekly newspapers. Number 4, in future, we try to rear honeybees as they are the best pollinator. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.
Kan comment mo sa kanya, Miss Desante, sakto mo sa may kachpunte hết tiếng chi thì cần bê sĩ đồng chú hẳn tỷ lệ tốc tay là anh ấy nông cốt mấy tin ta bộ hệ bia tin lộc bục khủng sinh ta bộ tin ta tụ lại cần hệ bê sĩ ông chia chi bùi linh research thì ta sẽ PhD thì ta sẽ hết tiếng hệ bị chi thì ta sẽ hết tiếng bạc cái nó tỷ lệ ông tụ chi nhân lâu thì anh ông cốt mấy cho nên hệ bị project khi ở đằng làm về này nó chú hệ follow up action hi athai em ni hian mark putela mark ai ge teamwork ne hian mark pulo anga lampa se poi mo si nia heta an ti chu an ve chanchin bu hian an ve wai me chanchin bu lu kuma hian an chu ani pampar le avong tu te in lai chin ta ti hi thalak te po chu a chu ko wa tin Facebook on post ko ni hi athakop mai cho thil ka hiat tu ka zo chu pe pelete a chu ma chuan bul khom bi lo langa vong bala lo lang to ho kan lu le khop me i kan ko hian kan huwa ni kan te ta chuan bul bi kol dai li nei lo hian kan thu thina Mr. Zoran sha lo ei ni kan phong thi ni biodegradable tất cả thì ăn thằng nó tụi cái gì anh tin nghe involve observe thế nên anh tâm về tiền ni lấy mình observe in end lâu lại ăn khuấy kan ăn lâu căng trong thế gì không anh tin nghe nó thì
Sir, kan vậy nào kan chuan phim philip thiếc anh lâu mà quay chu hay anh luôn ông rêu
anh tin lại nghe anh đâu vậy
kan break lai ten kan ena chuan class kan lok lo lai yan kan miss yan alo en deu rang boka
okay chuan anh là exact vel nghe in phải chu atam em anh là pa ha exact vel nghe in phải
around 5
or 5 it's a good number chuan in thing san zong in te lai la ki lo la ha in te ka sang ye
about 9 feet
9 feet cái ai cho sang thì đi
rong quy khóc mày hi bằng par thím nè bằng par bằng lại anh chị tập bộ anh đi anh chị anh giết là ngà chúng ta khoai mò heng phê lệ mò plot em ba khami safa mò thôi mò anh chị thế khát đi na anh bom tu thế anh giết chiến vết ba cả scientific nền làm scientific binh nền làm ta làm vết mày đi thì kim chang khóc mà tin nít xin sarina soi kha kari lu khoi em tu ania Vengthlang contribution kha yan nam leya wai we chan sin bu kha ta kina national level la tin kana ni chuan war takin sui lam ula tin kan newspaper upang newspaper ho ti hengan suni ti khala khan chan sin khan chan sin bu he ni pui ta lam he lo ti ro nu kha ti kina mo kha đi nghe tiên in kinh là nó ngã vì cái cần xe cái này thì cái ăn số thuê thì khai đi xe là Facebook có bị tiên thì quay buôn cái gì ăn tôi này chưa thì nào bị quay bom hết cái gì in school in data quay xuống đó lôi lầu em
Yes sir, KPI lam kha kan la bia mo chan miron la ziu ti don cha khoi dan to ve
tin su mai pia ma hei an school awareness program an han neya tiang han poster te cha ten siama tiron pui tak sit in ka hian tim ba ki su om thei lo hi i khoi te hatiang an pollinators ho te lo hian ông đầu sang số cần trăm đô này thì xuyên lên thì hồi một em mồi thì khá thiếm tăng men thì còn thì là rồi quý tận rất sẽ tìm cả xuyên này.
Thank you sir.
A scientific reference copy draw this in talk cha published here in Siam Kha. Congratulations.
Thank you miss.
Actually tu na class in zang in ni
Class 9.
Class 9 in kha zong isha chuan class khai draw in rong pui don me in rong pui don tu in guide teacher wang ani lo thi lova. Congratulations to the guide teacher. Achat kup me masters ho I pun in teacher dissertation hey masters dissertation hi om be tamo chu I po chuan achat lam ti tu ni achat tu tan.
Thank you miss.